Hello students, today we are going to discuss question number 1 of exercise 3.2. So you can see the question. The question is like this: the scores in a mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. You can see here 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12, 20. Let me count how many numbers are there. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It means 15 marks are there. 15 students and 15 student marks are there. Now what is the question asked at last? You can see find the mode and the median of this data. Are they same? Means you have to find out the mode and the median. We have to find out the mode and median of these numbers. Right here. So let us start the question. So first I will find the mode. So first thing I will find let me arrange in ascending order. Arrange observation in ascending order. So whenever you want to find mode or median, you arrange in ascending order. So I am arranging in ascending order. So which one is the smallest one? You can see 5 is the smallest. So first I will write 5. Then what comes here? 6 is there. There is no 6. You can see 7 is there. No. 8 is there. No. But 9 is there. Yes. So 9. Then comes 10 is there. Yes. 10 is there. I am going on cancelling whichever I use. So I am just taking tick mark below this. So 5 is used. 10 is used. And 9 is used. Right here. Now let us see. 11 is there. No. 12 is there. Yes. So I am tick marking 12 here. 12. 13 is there. It is not there here. 14 is there. No. And 15. It is yes. 15 is there. So let us tick mark 15. Now you can see 16 is there. Yes. 16 is there. So tick mark 16. 17 is there. It is not there. 17. So 17 no. 18. It is not there. 19 yes. So let us write 19. So now 20 is there. Yes, 20 is there. But 20 how many are there? Just see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 20s are there. 20. Now 21 is there. No. 22 is there. No. 23 yes. 24 is there. Yes. Now 25 is there. Yes, 225 are there. Let us count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us make group of 5. So it will be easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 15 are there. This is 3 and plus 2, 5. That is 15. So it means there is no observation is missing. First, this is the main step in solving median or mode. Arranging in ascending order and no numbers or no observation should be missing. By mistake we miss any observation, the answer will change. So we have to be very careful in this. Now what I said, I will find the mode first. So mode means, what is the definition already we have seen in the last video, which number repeat maximum time. So which number is repeating maximum time? You can see 20. So 20 is the mode. What is the mode here? 20 is the answer. Because 20 came 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20 is the mode. Right? Now median. Median is the middle observation. So how many are there? Here, how many numbers are there? 15. How many are there? 15. So there is a formula is there. We can use, or directly we can find out of 15 center in 15. The middle observation will be which one? That we need to know. So if I cancel one from here, like this we are doing, that also we can do. So it will be 8th observation, but there is one formula is there. Median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th observation. When n is odd, n should be odd. And here n is how much here? N is 15. So it is odd. For this the formula is there, n plus 1 by 2th observation. So let me keep the n value here. So 15 plus 1 by 2. What is the answer? Observation. It is observation. So 15, 16 by 2, it comes 8th. 8th observation. Right? So 8th observation count here, which one comes here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the median? Therefore, 8th observation is 20, so median is 20. Median is 20. You can see here. On this side also just verify. We can verify easily. On this side of this 20, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it means this is the middle observation. So median is 20. So what is the question they asked here? Are they same? See, we got mode also we got 20 and median also. So yes, we will write yes, mode and median are same. Right here, let me explain this question once again to you. From the beginning I am saying, already you know these observations are there, 15 observations are there. It is the marks of 15 students out of 25. Right? Now, first step, arrange observation in ascending order. Ascending means small to big. So I have taken first smallest number is 5, then 9, then 10, then 12, then 15, then 16, then 19, then 20, then 20, then 20, then 20 here, because 20 is coming 4 times. Then 23, then 24, then 25, then 25. Now mode is, what is the definition of mode? With observation repeat maximum time. So 20 came how many times? 4 times. So mode is 20. Now median. Last time I discussed with you middle observation, but the formula is also there. Like this, the formula is there. N plus 1 by 2th observation when n is odd. N is odd. When n is odd number it should be. N should be odd number. It should be odd number. Then only this formula is true. And here n is 15. 15 is odd, so I am going to use this formula. So 15 plus 1 by 2th observation, it comes 16 by 2. So it comes 8th observation. So I got here, counted here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is 20. So 20 is the median, and both are coming same. So yes, I wrote here mode and median are same. And this question completes here. Now we are going to discuss question number 2. Let us see the question. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. Let me repeat once again. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. So these are the 11 players runs. So let us verify. It should be 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You can see it is 11. So 11 players, different runs are there. So now what is the question? You can see here. Find the mean, mode and the median of this data. You have to find all three. Mean, mode and median of this data. Are the three same? Are they becoming same? You have to verify. So what to do? We will first proceed with the mode. So and then mean, like this one by one we will take. First step we will arrange in ascending order. First step we will arrange in ascending order. So let us start here. Let me write the first step. Arrange the observation in ascending order. Right here. So I am starting with the smallest number. The smallest number is here with me 6. Then you can see the next number is 8. Then the 9 is there. No. So like this we go on arranging. Then it comes here 10. Then you can see 10. How many are there? 1, 2. So 10 2 times. Then after 10, which is coming, let me cancel out. Which has come here already? 6 came. So 6 is here. Then 8 came. 8 is there. Then 10 came. Now after 10, which number comes here? You can see 15 is there. 1, 2, 3. 3 15s are there. So 3 15. Right? So let me underline 3 15s. 1, 2, 3. Now what is the number remaining? These numbers are remaining here, you can see. So which is remaining? Right now 50. Out of this 50 is the smallest one. 50. Then what is the next number? 3 are remaining. So 80, then 100, then 120. Then 80, then 100, then 120. Now let us count the numbers. No entry should be missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a group of 5. Again we make group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And plus 1, so it is 11. Right here. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So it is 11 are there. So this no entry is missing. Now we will start the question. First I will find the mode. Which number is repeating maximum time because it is only the mode. So mode is equal to. Now which number came maximum time? You can see one is 10 came 2 times. One is 15 came 3 times. So 15 is the answer. What is the mode? 15. Mode is 15. Now median. Median is equal to, already we have seen, it is n plus, n is how much here? First write, what is how many players are there? N is 11. So it is odd number. I will apply the formula n plus 1 by 2h observation. We can write it short. Right? Now what is the answer? So 11 plus 1 by 2h observation. So what is the answer? It comes 11 plus 1 12, 12 by 2. So it comes as 6 observation. So what is 6 observation? Just count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So median is equal to, therefore median is again 15. I think it is clear to you know how mode came. Mode is the number of which observation repeat maximum time is called mode. So 15 came 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So mode is 15. And median, first we will find how much number of observation it is. N is equal to 11. And it is odd number, so I use this formula. N plus 1 by 2th observation. And you got the answer 6 observation. Even you should verify it. So 6, if I count here, 6 observation. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number this side, 5 here on this side. So it is right mid number. Now I will go for the next one. I have found here mode, I have found here mean, mode I found and median I found. Now I will find mean. So come on the mean. So mean is equal to, what is the formula? You know the formula here. Mean is equal to sum of all observation. Sum of all observation upon number of all observation. Right? Sum of all observations upon number of all observations. That is the formula of mean. So I am going to use this all observation here. So sum of all, I want to add this all. So I will write here. I want to arrange here in this one. So I will write from here. I will write like this. Two numbers. I will take 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15, how many? 3. So 1, 2, 3, 15. You can see now 50 plus 80, 50 plus 80, and then plus again writing down. So I will write here plus 80 plus 100 plus 120. 100 plus 120 upon 11. Let us count. Any number should not be missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right here, so no number is missing. And now I am doing addition. Let us do addition in pairs. So I am making pairs of these two numbers like this. I will take these two numbers here in a pair wise. Then I will do total like this. Here like this. I will take pair 6 plus 8, 14. Here 10 plus 10, 20. Here 15 plus 15, 30. You can do directly if you want. 15 plus it comes 65. And here 80. And here 100 plus 120. What is the answer? It is 220 upon as it is 11. Right here. Now I will do the addition. Unit place 4. You can see 4 plus 5, 9. So keep 9 here. Now tens place 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 and 20 plus 2 is 22. So it is 22. Now I will keep this 2 on the 100 place. So it comes here. And it becomes 4 to 9 upon 11. The answer is 4 to 9 upon 11. I will do the cancellation. 11, 3 is 33. And what is remaining? 9. So 11 9 is 99. So what is the answer is 39 is our answer. 39 is our answer here. That is mean. So mean is equal to 39. So you can say therefore all three are not same. You can write here, therefore mean, mode and median are not same. Because at last they ask the question, you can see here, are the three same? So you write here, therefore mean, mode and median are not same. These two are same, mode and median are same, but mean is coming how much here? 39. Let me write down here, we got this as 39 this we got 15, and this we got 15. So we are writing this. If all three are same, we will write they are same. I think this question is clear to you. Let me discuss once again with you. Solution, you can see I got the mode as 15, median is 15, and mean is 39. Right here. So I will write here, therefore mean, mode and median are not same. Are not same. These are not same. And this question completes here. I will come with the next question in the next video. Thank you everyone.